her, you say, I tried my level best. All over the world, even in America, we are all tired. We can't do anything for you. If at all you want to do something, I don't have any objection, you please continue. And when she got a permission from her husband, her friend, from second day onwards, she started her treatment. She was not a doctor, she was a very ordinary lady. She started her treatment. Whatever the medicines were left over there at her house, she used to bring and she used to give her. Whatever the old prescriptions were there, she referred, and she, according to her opinion, treated her. And what happened? Within a week, you may say within a week, within 15 days or within a month, who was actually bedridden started to sit, started to walk, started to help her sons in making this diet. Or like this, in her young age, she used to ride on horse and she used to wander here and there. Within 2 to 3 months, she started to ride the horse and roaming here and there. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct, sir? She became totally perfect. She became totally perfect. How much wonderful it is actually. The all world over doctors actually totally failed. An ordinary lady who is not a doctor, who is not a physician, who don't know anything. Only the thing she was knowing that her husband was suffering from the identical type of disease, and she treated and she became okay. Then only Dr. Reddy Strand became mad. Oh, what is this? Wonderful. Then he did one thing. Whatever the patient he actually earlier terminated, fibromyalgia patients, he phoned them and asked them to please come to me, I want to treat you. Please come to me, I want your appointment, you please come to me. And like that, he treated those 10 people, out of them 7 to 8 got perfectly cured. And then he became still more mad. And then he tells in his book that he actually studied this subject, nutritional medicines. He studied this subject for 7 years, and what is the outcome of that 7 years is the book, What Your Doctor Doesn't Know About Nutritional Medicines May Be Killing You. What he suggests? What he suggests? He suggests the people that we all of us must have a daily recommended daily dose of nutritional medicine is must for everybody daily. Means I must take vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, or small quantities of all types of minerals, all types of tonics, a total multivitamin. Do you say multivitamin tablets, a tonic, whatever it may be, it is compulsory for everybody. Like this he told in his book. Now, why I actually told you this story? I told you this story, whatever he told, if you have to follow that path, you will have to consult a doctor. You have to go to doctor. We cannot take according to our own opinion of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. We will have to consult a doctor, and doctor will guide us. Oh, you have this, you have this, you have this. But in my case, you don't have to consult anybody. Simply go in the market. Simply go in the market. We are calling it as a lemon limbu. Actually, it's a vitamin C. We are calling it amla. It is a vitamin C. We are calling carrot, gajar. It's not a gajar. It's vitamin A. Like that spinach. We are calling it spinach, but actually it is iron. So all these things God has already created, and if you follow this natural system, it is not artificial. It is the natural, God made. Whereas whatever Dr. Reddy Strand is suggesting is a man-made. And that's why whatever the system I am telling you, natural diet system is must for everybody. Now, one more very interesting story from his second book. His second book is Death by Prescription. His second book is Death by Prescription. There he told a story of an old man who had been near about some 79. And being an old man, he was suffering from a lot of diseases. There were a lot of diseases, that's why there were a lot of tablets to be taken. And like that, he was pulling on in his house. He was having some 3 to 4 sons, their wives, grandson, granddaughters, a big family, and this actually old man became ill. A month went, 2nd month went, 6th month went, 1 year went, and like that he was not at all recovering or not at all dying. So the family people become disturbed, because nobody wants ill person in our house. That's why all those people become very much tired now. And thereafter, that wives of all these sons started telling their husbands that you please arrange this old man somewhere else, because we are very much tired. So all the 3-4 brothers take that old man to best hospital, and there they admit. There also same thing takes place. Month went, 2nd month went, 6th month went, year went. This man is not at all getting cured and not at all dying. So people get fed up. Certainly staff, doctors, ward boys, all those people, they started getting fed up by this old man. And then the doctors also started thinking, what to do of this old man? He is not dying and he is not getting cured also. What to do? So, no, we will have to do something. What they do? They call their all sons for meeting. What is this man? You take your father to your house. We don't want. No, we are ready to pay you. You say, we don't want your payment also. You care for him. We don't want this case. Then they started requesting doctors, please do something. What do something? No, we can't do anything. Then doctors said, okay, we will do one thing. We will stop his all medicines. We will stop his all medicines, and once we stop his all medicines, he is going to die within a month or 2. So you do one thing. Whatever your family members are there, you please come to this city, settle here for a week or 2 weeks. As soon as you come here, we will stop his medicines, and he will die, and you will also be free, and we will also be free. Like that it happens. And on the next day onward, when the medicines are stopped, the man, within a day or after a day or 2, the man who was not asking for water started asking for water, started asking for tea, started asking for biscuits, and like this, within a span of 2 months, he became totally perfect. It's not my story. If you want death by prescription by Dr. Reddy Strand, you please go through it and you will see there this story also. We all know Michael Jackson. What actually we found in his stomach? Only tablets. Only medicines. So, medicines are not going to actually help us in any way. If at all we want to enjoy the life in a healthy condition, there can't be any other way rather than natural diet system. Okay, here I am going to conclude my subject. A few points I will tell you. I am offering 3 options to the people. Most of all over Maharashtra, at number of places my lectures are taking place in Marathi, Hindi, and English also. This is my second English. This is my second English lecture here, because as you have seen, this is Dr. Anjali Mukherjee wrote a Healing with Food book. On this book, she actually, on back page here, she has mentioned my name, Dowre, engineer and author of the book Eklavya, along with the names of Vilasrao Deshmukh, Zina Taman, Vivek Oberoi, Shamak Dawar. And for opening of this book, she called me, crossword. She called me and she told me that you will have to explain your points, because she is my guru. Whatever I did, it was only due to her articles. So that opening was there also I spoke in English only. So at number of places my lectures are being held, and people are actually jumping to buy juicers, mixers.